Welcome to my channel IGCSE Chemistry. This video is all about some helpful tips and advices about how to get an A star. I hope it to be very helpful for the students. First of all, I will advise you to download the syllabus for relevant IGCSE subject. For that, you should know the code of that subject. For example, 620 is the code for IGCSE Chemistry. You can download the syllabus from Google. Once you have downloaded, you have the content overview, a list of topics in front of you. I will advise you to set your goal, make a plan. Plan your week for each topic to cover. Try to clear your concepts about each topic. How to clear the concepts? Try to understand each topic instead of only learning. Take help from your teachers. You can watch video lessons available on YouTube. Try to read maximum books available to you. Learn the definitions by heart. You can make the list of important definitions from each topic or each chapter. Make your own revision notes or summary. Your revision notes or summary should be ready before your exams. And the most important thing is to solve past papers. Past papers are super important because IGCSE expects you to answer questions in a specific way. If you don't practice past papers, you won't be able to answer the questions in the way the examiners want. Try to plan out your studies such that you have enough time to do maximum past papers. You can purchase classified past papers, means topic-wise past papers, or you can download online past papers available on different websites. While solving past papers, take it as a challenge for you. Solve complete past paper in a given time. It will help you to set your biological clock and build confidence in you to handle exam paper without getting nervous. Marks on each of the question need to be considered to know how much you should write for that question. Answers should be backed up with necessary diagrams to score more marks. No need of writing more points than needed according to the question and marks on them. Diagrams should be well labeled and in detail. Be careful about spellings, grammar and punctuation. Draw relevant diagram with pencil and while doing calculations, write them clearly. Check mark scheme. Mark scheme give you a better idea of how to think through an exam question. Analyze yourself for those topics in which you do mistakes. Write down your mistakes on a separate paper with corrections. And you can revise them later. Before exam, you should have a clear idea about each exam paper. For example, extended students have to take paper 2, paper 4 and paper 6. Make sure to attempt maximum latest past papers before your examination. Like last 5 years past papers, all the variants. Try to check examiner's report. Examiner's report gives detailed report describing candidates' overall performance on each part of the question. The reports give insight into the common mistakes done by the students. Students can use these reports to better understand what examiners are looking for from candidates and where common error occur usually. Manage your time effectively during exam paper. Try to balance your social life. Keep yourself away from addictions. Try to eat healthy. Sleep well. And one day success will be yours. And finally, there will be a day when everyone will congratulate you. Thank you so much and best of luck. And if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.